Hey Glams, how y'all doing today? So let's talk about this bomb drawstring ponytail that I got, y'all. This ponytail came from HerGivenHair, and yes, they have drawstring ponytails now, y'all. So inside of this cute little hair box, I have received their drawstring ponytail, which comes in a coily texture. And I got mine in the 12-inch unit. You will also receive inside of your hair box a cute little booklet that will give you all your care instructions on how to properly care for your new kinky coily drawstring ponytail. Since this was my first time ordering from HerGivenHair, I was giving a code for this free protective headband once I registered my email with them and I made my first purchase. Isn't it nice? Yes. So as you can see, the hair comes wrapped in a protective netting. But as soon as I pulled this out, y'all, I kind of wish I would have gone with a longer length. But as I stated, it was my first purchase and I just wasn't too sure how the lengths worked. And I wanted to see like how long a 12-inch would be. As you can see, it's a tightly coiled pattern that will definitely loosen up after we go ahead and co-wash and style this. This ponytail comes with 2 comb clips at the top and the bottom, as well as a drawstring that has a bobby pin attachment at the end of the string, as you can see right here. You also get an extra set of comb clips, which is really great just in case the clips you have break off. And it even comes with the paper that shows all the specs for the hair that you purchased. Now let's get into this co-wash, y'all. As you'll see here, I'm starting with the Tresemme Smooth and Silky Touchable Softness Conditioner. And I will be following that with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Twist and Curl Pudding. Now, we will start by rinsing this hair in warm water to start getting those curls nice and loose. And after I get that nice and saturated and wet, I'm going to be taking a generous amount of this conditioner and placing it from root to ends. Okay, we are getting it all the way through. I am making sure that I get all the strands on this unit, okay? So I'm even going to flip it over on its backside and get up under there as well. Pump, pump, pump. Get a generous amount, okay? Don't be scared, y'all. And make sure you guys go ahead and get them ends, okay? Get that conditioner on them ends. Okay, so now I'm taking my Denman brush. not only to detangle and get that conditioner all the way through and to smooth out the strands, but I also want these curls to clump together so that the curls will truly pop and get that good bounce going to them. Yeah, you see that? See those curls going together like that? That's what we want. And this will help, so when I finger detangle next, it'll be a lot easier. I'm gonna rinse this out now with cold water this time. Now the cold water will help to lock those cuticles and seal in that moisture. And since I've detangled previously with the Denman brush, I can now easily continue to run my fingers through the coils to further finger detangle this hair. Ooh, can we say came through dripping? Drip, drip? Look at that shine! Ooh! Yes, honey. Now let's lay this baby flat on our dry towel so we can go ahead and start this moisturizing process. Okay, so get you a good dollop of that curl pudding and add a good layer of that thing throughout the ponytail from, of course, root to ends. Flip it on over, get the back side. Don't be scared to dip back in and get a little more if you need it. And I even go ahead and split this thing down the middle. Okay, I don't want a dry strand in sight. And there you have it, Glams. Beautiful, shiny, loose, but still clumped curls. Look at that thing, juicy. Hey Glams, it's me again. So we're gonna start this style on washed and stretched hair. I usually do this style right after I wash my hair and it's still a little wet, but today we're gonna do it dry. I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections, 2 in the front and 1 in the back. Starting in the back, I use my wide tooth comb to detangle the hair to be sure that the ponytail will be nice and smooth and easy to really lay down with my brush. Taking this Fantasia Super Hold Spritz that I got from the beauty supply store. I know you've all seen this before from the beauty supply store. I'm going to spray this around the roots of my ponytail. Then I'm going to follow behind that with this Gorila Snot gel. Because y'all, I'm trying to get that super duper hold, okay? I do not want this ponytail to move or slip. I'm just going to smooth that down because I just really don't want my super curly 4C hair to, you know, get frizzy on me. So I'm just going to put that into a nice tight ponytail here in the back. Taking the tail end of my rat tail comb, I'm going to go ahead and perfect that part down the middle of my hair. And yeah, and I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the process on this right side of my head. So yeah, make sure that's straight, pin that away so it doesn't get caught up in the other ponytail. So like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat it. So comb, spritz, gel, you know, y'all see. And if there are any like kinks in my hair that my brush can't get out, I'll go ahead and use my Denman brush to really comb it out and to get it really smooth so it can really have that nice laid down look. So wondering what that cute little black ball of fur is that is not my ponytail. It is my kitty cat Bendy. Say hi. So I'm going to go ahead and attach that right side ponytail to the back ponytail so it gets that nice snug laid down look. We're gonna spritz this side of my hair with a little bit of water because as you can see my hair like fuzzes up really easily, and I'm taking this cute little mini brush, don't mind the water dripping down my face, and I'm gonna lay it down even better. I repeated the same step on the last side and it's secured that to the back ponytail as well. To be honest with you guys, I think I would rather do this style on wet hair because I think it just looks better than how I did it on my dry hair. Because see, now I have to go ahead and add more gel. It just took too many steps to get my hair slicked down, and if it was wet, it would have stayed down a lot easier. But we gonna make this work, okay? So go ahead and give yourself a cute little bun in the back of your hair. And go ahead and look how cute that is. That's a nice little donut. I don't even know why it's called a bun. And tie that down with a hair tie. Using my silk scarf, I go ahead and tie everything down to lay it down for the night tight, real nice and tight. And I even take a hair tie to secure that little flap at the top to make sure it's really laid, y'all. Okay, see that? Okay. Oh, peep the waves. Y'all see that sleek result? Come on now. Yes. Okay, here's our drawstring ponytail that has also been hanging out to dry overnight. But I'm going to go ahead and bring it back to life with a little bit of spritz from my water bottle. So just water in there, that's it. And I'm just going to go ahead and spritz that, bring it back to life real quick. And we're going to go ahead and add a bit of Moroccan oil to the ends to bring that shine back, that moisture and that shine. Just a little bit, just to the ends. Okay, now I'm going to secure this clip at the top and where the drawstring is to the bottom of my bun. And I'm going to go ahead and pull at that drawstring so it goes ahead and secures itself around my bun. Okay, see how nice and secure that looks? Now take the end of that string where the bobby pin is attached, and I'm going to wrap that around the bun until we can't wrap it anymore. And I'll just tuck that pin right into the side of my hair right here. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So just fluff it out, you know, maybe add some edge control to them edges and whatever other finishing touches you may feel like you want to add, and begin to fill yourself accordingly because that ponytail is slick, hunty. All right, all products will be listed down below, as long with links for more information about HerGivenHair products. Thanks for watching. Stay glam.